if you have a very dirty computer like you see here, and now I'm going to show you how you can clean it up very quickly with the air compressor. Here I'm going to show you a few things that is going to help you if you want to clean up a computer. So basically, you can buy one of these small compressors. They're very good. I like them. I like them a lot. They're very little, so if you want to put them in your car, cargo van, at least for computer cleaning, is good enough. And as you can see, you have for 170 at least now. You can get these with air hoses and everything. And also, because here you have the trigger, you can just control the amount of air that you can use, so that way you don't damage anything. Another options that you have here, you can buy this. This is useless. I mean, it has a lot of stars, but if you have a very dirty computer, it will be powerful enough, as you can see here. And also, if you have restaurants, for instance, as a customer, and their computer, they're going to become very greasy, so it's kind of difficult. You can use these. I have a few of these, and I tried them before. I mean, if it's just dust, it might be good enough, but if you have dust, in very tight places or difficult places to reach, one of these little compressors are going to be good, and you're not going to have any issues. Also, you can get maybe something like that if you want to. Also, I saw one of them. I think it was a Ryobi. It was one of those very little ones that they run on battery. So if you want to get something like that, it will be good. As usual, I am in US. If you need tools, electronics, or anything like that, just let me know. I can ship it to you. Otherwise, I'll leave the link if you're here in US, and you can, buy it yourself. Also, I have tried these. These are kind of bulky to me. This is like very tiny. This is a very nice one. I mean, if you have to clean up, 50 computers, 200 computers or something like that, you're going to run out of air very, very quickly. I was looking for and see if there is some pictures, but these are very tiny. It's maybe like a shoebox, basically, these ones. And if you have to buy something that is oil free, so as you can see here, it says oil free. That is a good thing. And so that way you don't have to worry, about pouring oil everywhere or anything like that. So, or spills or anything like that. This is a good product. Usually Craftsman, they make good things. Otherwise, you can buy maybe DeWalt or something like that. Again, this is another option. You can try it. You can buy the little one. I think Bosch, they have a very little one, Bosch and Rigid. Let me see. Yes, this one. These ones, they're okay. I mean, if you use this adapter that you see here, is good enough. You just replace this with this. It will be for most part. But again, if you have a shop or you're working from home or something like that, one of these pancake air compressor will be okay. If you want to buy something bigger, you can, but at least that is my experience. You should be good. So now let's continue.